Welcome to the Ethical Hacking course. Welcome, future ethical hackers and cybersecurity enthusiasts. We're thrilled to have you join us on this exciting journey into the world of ethical hacking. In this course, you'll learn the ins and outs of ethical hacking, a world where you'll master the art of protecting digital landscapes, safeguarding sensitive data, and ensuring that security breaches become a thing of the past. And what you will learn. Here's a glimpse of what you'll be diving into. In Module 1, Introduction to Ethical Hacking. You will grasp the fundamentals of ethical hacking, its significance, and the legal and ethical aspects. In Module 2, Networking Fundamentals. We will delve into the secrets of networking, the language of the digital world. You'll learn how data travels, and you'll understand the OSI model and TCP/IP protocol suite. And that's just the beginning. Over the course of your journey, you'll master essential skills like information gathering and footprinting vulnerability assessment system, hacking malware and threats network hacking, web application security cloud and IoT security social engineering. How it benefits you. So why should you embark on this journey? Well, besides the thrill of being a digital detective, there are a few reasons. Career opportunities. The demand for ethical hackers is skyrocketing. Companies and organizations are constantly seeking skilled professionals to protect their digital assets. Cybersecurity awareness. This course will make you more aware of the security issues we all face daily. You'll be better equipped to protect yourself and your organization from cyber threats. Personal growth. You'll gain a deep understanding of the digital world, enhancing your problem-solving skills and boosting your confidence in the cyber realm. By the end of this course, you'll be armed with the knowledge and skills to become an ethical hacker. You'll be able to safeguard digital systems, protect data, and contribute to a safer online world. So, are you ready to embark on this thrilling journey? Let's dive into the world of ethical hacking and become the digital superheroes of the 21st century. Let's get started.